Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak Real Arabic. My name is Ozzy and I'm from Damascus, Syria. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that is close to my heart, which is Syrian expressions. You see, expressions are my favorite part of any language. It really kind of gives you an insight on how the speakers of that language speak. Since there are so many countries that speak Arabic, there are different expressions in every region. However, since I'm Syrian, not bragging, I'll be telling some Syrian ones. Before I jump into some awesome expressions though, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Sellouts. You know, we post some awesome content on this channel and your support would mean a lot to us and motivate us to make more. Alright, now that I've done the shameless self-promotion, this comes from corporate, not me. Let's just jump into expressions. All right, so the first expression I want to mention today is, in my opinion, the funniest one ever, which is انسهل التليفون. I'm gonna repeat that, انسهل التليفون, which literally means the phone has diarrhea. I'm just gonna give you a second to live with that there. So, if you want to take a guess on what that means, you probably won't get it with a million of them. What it actually means is that the phone has been ringing so much, or I'm getting so many messages. Now, you might be wondering, why do we liken a lot of ringing to diarrhea? Maybe it's because it takes a lot of energy, or because of the volume, I don't know. All I can say is, we really do have a way with words, don't we? That's what it is. So, let's hit another expression that always cracks me up, which is ولي على قطاطك. This is a very interesting one. I'm going to repeat that. ولي على قطاطك. This is really tricky to translate because literally it means something like, may your kittens be hurt, which I know sounds sociopathic, but stay with me here for a second. You see, don't worry, we do love cats. I have 2 cats myself, and I love them more than anything or anyone. So what this expression actually means is, I find you as cute as a kitten. That's what it is. I find you as cute as a kitten. But that somehow ended up, may your cats be hurt. I know, what can I say? We're original thinkers like that. By the way, if you haven't seen our terms of endearment videos, you have to see that because we flirt using death way too often. So if you understand that about our culture, maybe you'll understand why we say stuff like, may your kittens be hurt, to actually mean, I like you. Alrighty, so the last expression that I want to hit today is, it seems really inappropriate at first actually, but stay with me for a second. So the expression is İdi bizim narak. I'm going to say that again, İdi bizim narak, which literally translates to my hand in your belt. Now I know what you're thinking, whoa, you know, where was like, you know, in the Me Too era we need consent and everything, I get that, right? Rest easy though, it doesn't mean what you think it means. Syrians use these expressions to mean, I implore you to help me with something difficult. Now, the origins of that saying are questionable, for lack of a better word. Some people say it comes from the special belts that Ottomans used to declare themselves as Ottomans. I don't know. But when it's used today, it's totally above board, you know. So if a Syrian ever tells you, my hand in your belt, don't be alarmed or call the police. They might be just doing some direct translation. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys today. I really hope you liked it. And again, please give us that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I mean, I know you have, but hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Sellouts. Thank you so much for watching. And if there's anything about Syrian culture you're curious about or want to know more about, just let me know in the comment and maybe I can do a video on that. So again, I am Ozzy and I hope to see you all soon. Have a fantastic day.